Yeah, hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about Canva. Canva is a graphical designer. Means we can design beautiful posters. We can design social media posters regarding Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. So we can design beautiful posters out of this, and even we can create presentations for our classrooms. So it resembles like PPTs or Google Slides. So we have beautiful templates in it to use in our classroom. And not only presentations, we can prepare flyers to post in social media, and also we can prepare invitation cards, and we can prepare YouTube thumbnails, YouTube posters, even web pages, web posters, whatnot. We can create any material, even infographics. If you want to present some infographics to your students, you can make beautiful infographics. So here in this we can insert text, we can insert pictures, and we can design them as per the patterns. So and also some cards, invitation cards, other cards, and even you can prepare lesson plans here. So in each and every segment you have a lot of free templates, and even this is a freemium version. Canva is a freemium version, means we have free templates and some beautiful templates they are offering with some cost, so we need to buy that. So without going for a commercial thing, and we can make use of these free versions, and we can design beautiful designs out of this. Really, this is very useful for a teacher. Not only teacher, this is also useful for students. Especially in English, we have a lot of discourses like invitations, notices. So we can ask our children to prepare these with the help of Canva, because Canva is a user-friendly one. It is simply to use. So simply we can insert images, insert text. There are a lot of patterns, flower designs, and background designs. Even we can insert audios, videos in this. So really a beautiful thing. Here we can also design what is that, emblems. So if you are running a YouTube, so you can design thumbnails for YouTube as well as emblems also. If you have any, if you want to design any personal emblem for your firm, even you can design that. So in this way, Canva is a very beautiful and simple graphic designer. Even a beginner could do this. So now let's go to the Canva and explore it. Okay friends, now let us explore about Canva. So let me take you to the browser and type as Canva. So the website looks like this, and get started with Canva. You could see all the options here: templates, posters, resumes, create, login, photos, Canva Pro, logos, and this is about pricing and design scope. See here, you can create beautiful designs with your team. So use Canva's drag and drop features and layouts to design, share and print business cards, logos, presentations and more.
So now let us explore Canva. Click on this. Yeah, get started with Canva. See here, already I have signed in to my Google account. That's why it is asking as sign into Canva with Google. So continue as Narendra. So even you can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Facebook. Sign up means creating an account. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up. So even you can sign up with your email. So other than Gmail, if you have any email like Yahoo, even with that email also you can sign up. Now let me continue as Narendra. Yeah, see here, it is logging into is asking me to log in with Google account. Now see here, with my Google account I am opening. So here let me type the mail ID once again and password. Now let me log in. Yeah, so it is showing as incorrect password. Let me type it once again. I think it's not matching. Let me type once again. Okay, let me sign in with this. Let me try with my Facebook ID. Yeah, once again it is showing as the only problem is I have so many accounts. Yeah, so this is the interface of Canva. Let me show you. So this is the home page. Now you could see lot of templates regarding social media, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, Twitter posts, Pinterest. So let me click on see all. See here. So we could have a templates from page for if we want to create a Facebook post. So we can create with a template. Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, flyers, presentations, YouTube thumbnails. So if you click here, cards, business cards, photo collages, invitations, brochures, logos, resumes, posters, infographics, Facebook stories. So like this you have a number of applications and templates. So coming to Facebook post, you have ready-made templates. See here, these are the Facebook posting templates for Instagram stories, Instagram posts, for flyers, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, cards, business cards, photo collages. So lot of templates are given here, and let me take you back to the home page. Yeah, and coming to here, all your designs. So this is my fresh account, I don't have any. Yeah, some I have few designs here also, see here. And yeah, I have created some designs regarding my, yeah, these are the flyers prepared for our online course. Let me show you the flyers. See here. Yeah, yes, these are all the flyers. I think it is taking time to download the pictures. Yeah, these are the flyers. So these are the flyers, and let me take you back. Yeah, let us go to all your designs. Some other flyers. See here, attitude is altitude, this is face sheet, Teachers Day greetings. These are all the flyers of webinars. So in this way, these are my old files. So whatever you create, they will be saved in all your designs section. Now let me click on shared with you. See here, somebody shared me. These are the slides or presentations created by Mr. Narendra Reddy Gudigopuram ji. So he has shared me. So if anyone share their material to you, you can see in this section. Brand kit. So these are the Canva brand kits, and the fonts, so styles, and create a team. So here you can invite members and you can make a team with your friends for a collaborative work. This is all about. So you need to type their email ID, and you can ask them, you can make them a member or you can make them an administrator, and finally you can send invitation for them to join in your team. And so this is the link. You can even join them with the help of a link. So all your folders, see here, all your designs, the activities which you have liked and you have purchased, your uploads, your trash bin shared with you. You could see all these things in your folders. Trash, see here, this is the trash. So these are all the files which I have deleted. So unknowingly or mistakenly, if you delete anything, so it will reach your trash can. So if you click that trash can, automatically you could find the deleted items, and even you can restore it. If you want to delete permanently, or you can delete here. So this is all about the options which you have on the interface of Canva. Now let me take you to templates. Already I have shown you the templates. So even for education also, we have lesson plans, worksheets, certificates, storyboards, bookmarks, class schedules, etc. So let us discuss about this as we are using Canva for education. See here, coming to education, you have once again these will be repeated, and so yeah, I'll go back and show you. Generally, we can use presentations in our classroom. So presentations and YouTube thumbnails. For example, if you want to upload your video, so you need a thumbnail to have a photograph on your video. So thumbnail is the index of your video. So if you create a thumbnail and post it in YouTube while you are uploading into YouTube, so automatically your preview of the video can be seen there. So cards, and so even in English discourses we have invitations. So you can ask your students to design an invitation card. Logos, if you want to prepare a logo for your school or for your institute, you can make a logo for it. And resumes, posters, digital posters, infographics. Really, it's a beautiful topic. Here infographics are nothing but if you want to show any statistics or educational statistics of your school or of your classroom, you can make use of this infographics. You will have beautiful icons. Let me show you one after the other. So this is all about the introduction. Let me show you one after the other, and let us go back to the home page. Yeah, so coming to templates, so let us discuss the things which are useful in our classrooms. So social media, I don't want to discuss about this. Invitations, yeah, let's go to this invitation. So see here, this is the invitation. Already you have so many invitations here: birthday, party, baby, graduation, save the date, photo, housewarming, wedding. So in this way there are so many invitations. So funeral, Thanksgiving, sleepover, so many. So for each and every thing you can have a template. Let me show you one template. So this is the information about templates. Now let me show you a template, and for example, yeah, I would like to show you the template of housewarming ceremony. Yeah, these are the ready-made templates of housewarming ceremony invitation, and even you have a blank invitation for this. So you can select, you can pick up any one and you can create an invitation here. And let us go back. So we have other templates, for example certificate. So we can even design a certificate also. See here, and so these are the ready-made templates of certificates. See here, certificates with various designs. Now let me show you one certificate. Yeah, I'm clicking this. See here, so simply you can click on this and you could see the cursor, and let me type this ELTA merit certificates. So this is awarded to. So in this way you can edit the things, and you can even insert a signature here. You can edit the content and you can create a certificate. See here, these are various certificates. So see here, if you want a blank document, you can add. If you want to add a page, see here, you have some options here: add notes, duplicate page. If you want the same certificate, simply click on this. See here, yeah, same one. So this is the duplicate. So if you want to delete it, simply click on this. And if you want to add page, even you can add page for this. So in this way, this is all about certificates. And let me take you back once again, and coming to blog banner. See here, this is the banner. Blog banner means banners for various blogs. See here, this is about blog. Here also you can edit this. So there are other templates here, and this is about blog banner. And presentation, very interesting thing which is useful in our education, that too for our classroom purpose. See here, some beautiful presentations are there. This is I'm clicking one presentation here. Yeah, so this is a template. Even you can simply modify these. So in this way, let me add one more page, and here, see here, yeah, you can edit this, you can edit this, you can edit this. So if you want to add text, you can add by clicking this. See here, let us discuss the options here first. This is about templates. If I click here, we'll get templates, and see here, these are the ready-made templates. Uploads, this is all about uploads. If you want to upload a picture, simply click on upload an image device. So see here, I want to upload this particular picture here. Yeah, so this is uploaded into Canva. See here, it is uploading. Now it is taking time. Yeah, meanwhile let me show you this. These are the other pictures which I have uploaded into Canva, and yeah, this is uploaded. See here, if I click on this, automatically it will be uploaded here. This is all about my picture. In this way we can insert the pictures. First we need to upload the image to Canva. After that it will be added to our file. These are the file photos which I have added to the Canva. So after that, if you click on that particular image, for example, I want to insert this image. See here, this image. So I can insert here. So this is how to add images. If you want to add videos, you can just add videos also, or just drag one here from the desktop. For example, so I'm minimizing this, and see here, simply I am adding a video. Yeah, some error was there. So in this way we can simply drag the image from our file and we can add. So this is all about uploading images and videos. Coming to photos, so there are so many file photos here. Food background, tomorrow is Gandhi Jayanti, that's why by default some pictures of Gandhi are given here. See here, this is all about Gandhiji. Yeah, we can add a picture of Gandhi like this. So this is about adding picture, and I would like to add one more page to this. Let me add and I'll show you. Yeah, see here, I want to add some beautiful pictures of Gandhiji. Yeah, see here, yes. So in this way we can drag this and set here as per our wish. Now these are the elements. Elements means various designs, maybe arrow marks, maybe circles, oval shapes. So like this there are so many patterns are there, shapes and icons. See here, for example, I want this. So even we can see whether it is free or paid version. So this is a freemium website, so we can have free and free images, and some paid images are also there. See here, if you hover your cursor on that, you could see whether it is free or not. Free, yeah. Simply if I click here, I can, yeah. So this is how we can add the elements. So in the element section we have lot many pictures like flowers, fruits, and some other designs, avatars, things. In this way we have so many pictures. As per our wish we can make use of this. And coming to text, see here also we have so many text patterns with beautiful colors. So based on our background we need to choose the text, and here also we could see the free versions and paid versions. For example, see here, free, everything is free, but we'll get the premium versions also. Yeah, let me take you to some others and I'll show you. So almost all these are free. See here, these are the, yeah, for example, we can't see the free option here. See here, this is free, but if I click here, try Canva Pro for free. Canva Pro means it's a paid version, so we need to buy it. So even they'll offer us for free for 30 days. We can make use of this for 30 days. After that we need to pay. But I tried to get this, but they are asking my card number. So if once I give my card number, automatically after 31st day they'll deduct the amount from my card. That's why I don't want to do that. So even you can use so many things in free version also. This is all about the text. So I'll show you how to use the text and how to alter the text. For example, yeah, so this is the text. Now immediately click on this. See here, you could see the cursor blinking there. Simply delete this. I wish you a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Generally we don't wish as happy Jayanti, Gandhi Jayanti, but so in this way we can make, let me wish you a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, right. So now the text is too big, so we need to select all the text like this, all the text like this. See here, you could see the size of the font. Click on this and simply select 32 or 40. So here you can adjust as per your wish. See here this, and you can drag the frame text bar like this. You can place it anywhere as per your interest, as per your creativity. So this is about the text, and even we can change the color of the text here. See here we have a beautiful colors. See here our text, the color of our text is changed, and so even you can bold it, you can underline it. See, some more effects are there. For example, if there are see here you don't have any effects. If you want to shadow, you can give a shadow for this, and even the shadow also, the shadow also you can change the size of the shadow like this. See here you could see the size of the shadow. If you want to blur, you can blur. Transparency, see here transparency. So you can adjust all these things, even hollow, neon, slice, echo. So in this way we can change the style of the font. And now let me show you some effects. See here, so these are the total capitals. For example, I wish. So these are the total capitals. But if I want to convert this, simply if I click this, sorry, see here even I will get the small letters. Now for this font I am not getting this. I'll try once again. Yeah, maybe this font, for this font I'm not getting this. So let me show you another by taking another text. See here, yeah, this is a paid one. Let me show you. Yeah, these are capital letters. If I click on this uppercase, wish, see here, wish you a happy birthday. I wish you a happy birthday. And simply show, I'll drag this text. See here, if I want to change this color of the text, so as this is black in color, simply I want to change this to beautiful blue. Yeah, so this is how we can change the color. And some other effects are here. So this is copy style and lock. So even you have different fonts. So I want to change the font. Simply I can change like this. See here, the font has changed. Yes, the font has changed. Yeah, so in this way we can change our font as per our wish. So this is all about how to use the text and after that we can add music. Even we can add some music to our slide. See here, some music is there. This is the pro version. So simply, could see some problem here. Okay, we can add audio. Even we can add video. Yeah, I think the audio is added, audio file is added to our page. So this is how we can add music to our slide. Even we can add a video to our slide. See here, you could see the video now. This is the beautiful video. So in this way you have a file videos, some are free videos and some are premium videos. Even you can, if you want to add a video from your computer, you can upload it. And some backgrounds. Generally these backgrounds are used for photographs, even on slides also. For example, I'll show you one. So this is actually this is a cream color background. I want to add a beautiful background of these leaves. In this way we can add. Now here we can add text. So this is a paid one. Yeah. So let me add this. Cheers. Yeah. So this is how we can add text. Add backgrounds also. So we have so many featured backgrounds here, beautiful backgrounds. And let me show you some more backgrounds here. So see here how beautiful it is. So we have so many such backgrounds here. After that, folders. So in folders we could see the purchases, likes and dislikes, so all those things, and you have more option. So here in the more option you can have some styles, charts, even you can connect this to Pixels, Pixabay. For example, this Pixabay is nothing but a site of beautiful pictures. So these are all the free images. We can make use of this free images from Pixabay. So, and I'll show you some other. Even if you want to share in Facebook, these are the social media. Google Maps, you can use Google Maps directly. You can copy from Instagram, Dropbox, Google Drive, YouTube, Flickr. These are all other social media. Even you can have an access with all these social media and other useful apps. So this is all about the Canva, and let me show you how to add the pictures. For example, if this is the picture, I want to add a shape or an element to this, and see here, simply, so I would like to add this element. So this element is going to be my background. Here I would like to add some photographs. So already I have uploaded some photographs here. So I'll show you. And yeah, these are the photographs. And I would like to show one photograph. So maybe I'll take a photograph of Radha Krishna. Yeah, see here. So I don't want all this. There is a black and maroon color background. simply you need to dump this into remove background. For example, remove background, you type remove background in the search bar of the browser, you may get lot of websites. Simply the thing you need to do is you need to select an image, whatever image you want, and I will show you some of my images. Yeah, KNR photos. So here also I have a background image. For example, I uploaded that image. Here you could see this is uploading. So actually this is the background is removed. So original photograph we have a cream color background. So in this the background is removed. Now click download. So see here, you could see this is downloaded into my file. Yeah, this is the picture which is downloaded, and now let me insert that. See here, go to uploads and upload an image or video. Upload an image or video and click on device and go to downloads. See here, select the I'm going to remove this. I'll show with my photograph. See here, I have removed the background. You can't see any background here, only my picture. Now let me drag to this and keep here. So in this way we can remove background. So simply you need to type remove background in the browser. You will get lot of websites. These are online background remover. Simple, very simple. So you just upload your image to that and download finally. So it will be downloaded into a system. After that you upload that background removed image to this. So in this way you can do this. And if, for example, if I want to crop this, see here, click on crop. Actually this is in what is that rectangular shape. Just I want to make it into, I want to make it like this. I want to adjust like this. Simply adjust the crop borders and click on done. See here, this is cropped. Now the image is cropped. Even you can have some effects also. Background remover, dual tone, bad TV. So if you can do that. See here, this is background. Here also we have a background remover, but this is not free. We need to go for a paid version. For example, dual tone. Simply if I click this, the tone of the picture will be changed. So in this way you can have a lot of effects. These are the effects. Filters. See here, if I want to convert this image into grayscale, simply see here, the image is converted into grayscale. Let me undo this. See here, undo means going back one step backwards. So in this way you can adjust. So you can adjust the features of the photograph, tint, brightness, blur, like this. There are so many features of this, and here some more features are there. So lock. So if I lock this, I can't edit anymore. For example, see here, I can't edit anymore. So if I want to edit, so you just unlock it again, because sometimes while using Canva we may commit mistakes. So after completion of work we need to lock like this. So this is one more provision. So once you lock, you can't see any other options here on the top of the screen. See here, there are no other options. Now click on. So in this way you can do wonders. If you are creative enough, you could do lot of things with Canva. And now if you want to, finally I'll show you how to download this. So we have number of slides here. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 slides. Simply click on download image, down arrow mark. If you click on this, you could see all these things. So we have, see here, we cannot download this because the thing is, here we have a premium one. See here, $1, that is the image of Gandhiji. So we need to remove that. If we remove that, we can download. So let me go back, let me take you back to the Gandhiji's image. Yeah, this is the paid, so we need to pay for this. So as we are using the free version, I want to delete this. So unless and until I delete this, I can't download all my things which I have done earlier. So for that I need to delete this. So to delete this, select this image and go to right hand side top corner. You could see the trash can image. Click on that. Simply the image is deleted. Now you could see, yeah, see, this is free for downloading. So it will ask you whether to create this in the form of a video or PDF, PNG, GPF, PDF, PDF print, PPT, so MP4 video, GIF. So I just want it in the a PPT or PDF. Simply I'll click PDF, and if I want all pages, I can. If I want a specific page, for example, I want the last page, yeah, click that and done. See here, page 6. Now download. So see here, preparing your design. Now finally it is downloaded. Let me see here, the PDF is downloaded here. You could see at the bottom left. If I click this, it will open. Yeah, this is the PDF. So in this way you can download the things and present. If you want to present it, you can even present like a PPT. You just click on present and click on present button. So now it is presenting. So as I have added some music to this, so in this way we can present here. So adding images, photos, elements, videos, text, this process is similar to all the templates, whether it is invitation or PPT presentation or Facebook presentation or YouTube thumbnail, whatever the template, the process is the same thing. In every thing you need to do the same process, and so this is the way we can use Canva. So with the help of Canva, we can make presentations, we can make blog banners, certificates, Facebook posts, YouTube thumbnails, flyers. Nowadays a lot of webinars are being conducted in various places. So in order to have the information about a webinar, we can make a beautiful flyer, even posters. This is a very good example, and for a discourse we can make use of this posters even in our classrooms. Even we can ask our children to design this using Canva. And Instagram posts, animated social media videos, even you can prepare some videos also here. See here, this is the video here. Using this, if you want to prepare an educational video, simply click this background and see here, with the help of this background. So these are the background and background videos. So even you can prepare a beautiful video with the Canva, and I'll show you the other things. Infographics already we have discussed. Logos, let me show you the logo. If you want a logo for your YouTube, or if you want a logo for your school, you can design a logo, a beautiful logo, with the help of this. See here, these are logos. And let us go forward and see the other things. Even you can design cards, so stories, brochures, collages, resumes, visiting cards, YouTube channel art, book covers, desktop wallpapers, menu, hotel menus, letterheads, CD album covers, ID cards, newsletters, calendars, postcards, labels, announcements, gift certificates, tags, programs, tickets, bookmarks, class schedules, a coupon report, business proposal, media kit, worksheet, invoice, recipe card, rack card, planner, report card, letter, lesson plan. Even you have a lesson plan also. Finally, yeah, let me show you the lesson plan. This is the lesson plan template. We have so many templates here. So see here, you could see the weekly planner, activities, objectives, assessments, different templates, physical education, daily lesson plan. Yeah, see here, you could see lot of templates in case of lesson plans. So you can make use of this as per your wish. And thank you friends. Thank you.